So welcome back guys. Today I will gonna be introducing you in front of you a best TRX project which name is trx.sg. So in today's video we are going to be focusing on the main topic on the video is how to recharge in the application. SGTRX is an application where you can buy mining machines and obtain a stable income like insurance in the website. Okay, you can click on market and you can buy the mining machines from here. The You can buy a daily dividend machine which is only for 500 TRX. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be explaining you in the website how to do all the things and how to buy mining machines and all the things. So firstly guys, I'm going to be telling you about how to recharge in the website. Okay, when you click on the registration link given in the description, you're going to be redirected to a website here. So what you'll have to do is just demonstrate in front of you how to recharge in the application from CoinDCX application. This is going to be the main topic of the video today. Okay, so I'm going to be demonstrating in front of you then. Okay, so guys, what you'll have to do first is you have to install the CoinDCX application. It's available on the Android Play Store, so you can install the application from there. Okay, so what you will have to do is click on the install button, and now the CoinDCX application will be installed in a few minutes. So let's wait for that. Also guys, it's there that when the sign up bonus in the website is 100 TRX. So now also our CoinDCX application is installed. We'll just click on the open button in the application, and now I'll explain you what to do with the application. So guys, as you can see, we have installed the CoinDCX application now, and it's the easiest way to invest in cryptocurrency. This is the easiest way of investing in cryptocurrency, CoinDCX application. Okay, so what you'll have to do in the application first is you have to sign up in the application, or if you have an account, so you can log in the application. So I am new in the CoinDCX application, so what I'll do is I'll just click on sign up and create an account. I'll just put the full name, email ID, and create a password for my okay, and at least one capital letter, at least one small letter, at least one number, and minimum of 8 characters in important in the password. So let's fill up these details. So now guys, after you sign up in the application CoinDCX, you get an interface like this coming on your way. Okay, so now in the application CoinDCX, you can also get notifications about the prices, of the cryptocurrencies. As you can see, there is a option called prices here. The Bitcoin price now in rupees is 41 lakhs, in the year in finance 20 lakhs. So you can see like this, and the Tron price also you can see 7.818 rupees. Okay, and I just told you about that. Okay, so guys, as you told you, and yeah, so also guys, you can see the prices in the application, like 40 lakh rupees is Bitcoin, Yearn Finance. Also in the orders section, what you can do is you can sell the Tron, Bitcoin, or any type of cryptocurrency you have. You can sell the things. Okay, and in my investment, you can see that what investments you have done. You have invested how much in Tron. I have invested something. So now I'm going to tell you about how to recharge in the application trx.sg. Okay, so in my investments, as you can see, there are other coins which you have. So as you can see, I have one TRX with me right now here. So guys, now I'm going to tell you only the thing how to recharge in the application. So for recharging in the application, also you have to join your bank account in the application to withdraw all the things. Also you can manage your KYC, or you have to what you'll have to do is account detail you have to mention there, and then the things will be complete. Okay, and you can see that I have invested 670 rupees in the application, and which I have invested, and this is my investment in CoinDCX application. Okay, and if I go in my investments here, now I'll show you how to invest in the application trx.sg. You have to go on my investments. What you'll have to do is you can see the Tron here. I have one Tron with me right now. I'll just click on that. Okay, you have to like what you'll have to do is you have to buy a Tron in the application through rupees. Okay, in rupees you have to tell that how much you have to buy, and in TRX you'll get. Okay, so guys, what you'll have to do is you have to click on the three dot upper. Okay, then guys, you will get two options here: send Tron or receive Tron. If you click on receive Tron here, you have to click on yes, I understand. You will get your wallet address, and if you copy this, anybody can pay into you in this CoinDCX account. Okay, the TRX account, and only TRX is to be in paid here. If any cryptocurrency, other cryptocurrency is paid, you won't get the money. Okay, so now I told you about the selling Tron, receiving Tron. I'll just tell you about how to send Tron to the application trx.sg, which is the main topic. You have to click on send Tron. What you'll have to do is, so guys, now if we come to the application, what we'll do is we have to click on the recharge button here. Then what we'll have to do is we have to copy the address given. Okay, we have to copy the address, and then we'll go to CoinDCX again. We have to paste the destination address, we have to paste the TRX amount we have to recharge, and then what we have to do is we have to put the withdrawal password which we made. Okay, and the withdrawal fee is 1 TRX. So what we'll do is we have to pay the amount now. So now guys, as you can see, we have paid the amount given here, 10 TRX we have paid. So now what we'll do is we have to paste 10 TRX here, and we have to upload a screenshot of the transfer. Okay, we have to upload a screenshot here. So now I'll upload a screenshot here, and then we'll put on recharge completed. Okay, now the recharge is completed, and we'll wait for 1 to 2 minutes or 10 to 20 minutes here for recharge to be completed. So let's wait. So guys, after you followed all the processes I told you about CoinDCX application, now the recharge will be completed in a few minutes. Okay, also the recharge is completed here. So guys, I'm going to tell you about this website. I told you about this website a lot. So guys, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. And guys, you can see that the account balance is now more, and now what you'll have to do is you have to buy a mining machine. Okay, and you have to enter the transaction password here, and you can buy the mining machine. Okay, so guys, I'll meet you in the next video with a new video of CoinDCX, Binance, and many other wallets like this. So I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching, fam. Bye bye.